one topic, Microsoft Loop, how to we can enable Microsoft Loop in Office 365. And what is Microsoft Loop? Microsoft Loop thing create together as per Microsoft. So I will just give one small introduction. Okay, what is Loop? Microsoft Loop is online collaboration platform that is being developed by Microsoft. Microsoft Loop support a maximum 15 user editing workspace at the same time, including workspace and page where you can import and organize tasks, project and document. So it's simple. User can collaborate together in one workspace and you can create the project and you can share and you can edit the same document and you can comment and it's like a collaboration with it together. Uh, and together in one place. That's is called as loop. This is Microsoft will be introducing the new features like Microsoft Loop. So next step we can go for how to we can configure Microsoft Loop. Okay, I will go for the steps. Configuration step: create a new Microsoft 365 groups and sign into Microsoft 365 apps admin center and create a cloud policy. And wait, maybe it's take more time to propagate the loop policy. So first we will go for Microsoft admin center and we will create one admin group. Sorry, the group. Okay, security group. So I reach the Microsoft Office 365 admin center and I will click the admin button. Okay. After that, I will create one group. Okay. Just to go for teams and group, then active teams and group, then just create one security group. Okay. I just click security and I will click add group and I just create one security group. I will click and click next and the group name EMS loop. Then I will type this group EMS Microsoft and Microsoft loop. So click next and no, I will click with this rule assignment. Okay, now then click next. Then I will click create the group. Okay. Then next step I will add one. You can add more members, but I will add one member for this group. Okay, just to close this group and we will check our group is already propagate. Okay, I will group is there and I will click this group. Then what I do, I just add one member this group. Okay, just now no members, 0 owner and 0 member. I just add one member. Okay, I just go for here member, view all members, manage and members. Then I will add one member here. Okay. Okay, I just select and add. So it's take time. Okay, finished. Then I close. I just refresh the page. I will check confirm the group member is add or no. Okay, so just go for security. Yeah, MS loop is here and we will check member. So I go here. I see already one member is there. I just click and go. See the member is there. So our step finish group Microsoft security group created and we add one member in the group. Okay, next step we need to go for admin center, create one policy admin center and create one policy. Okay, so now we will go for admin center, policy admin center. Okay, okay, now we will reach welcome to the Microsoft this app and admin center. So this link I will copy in the description. Okay, below the description. Okay, just to this link config.office.com. You go here and just click the sign in. Okay, after that we will create the policy. Okay, just we will go for customization. Then here policy management, we click here policy management. Okay, after that we will click create. Okay, then you need to write the policy name. We will write ms loop policy. Okay, and this loop policy. So in this demo purpose, once you do in yourself, you just make everything clear and good. Okay, then I will click next. Then scope. Okay, there are three scope. This policy confirm apply for all the users. You can create for all the users, or this policy confirm apply in user specified group, and this policy confirm apply to user the access document anonymous usage of the. I will skip this one. I just go for only this policy confirm apply to the user in specified group. Okay, I just click and I will add the group. Okay, our group ms I think ms loop. Then I click save. Okay, then I will click next. So here we can find our policies. Okay, the policy will be propagate. Then we will go for type loop, just a filter. So see, create a view loop in file Microsoft and support, and create and view loop files in the loop, and create and view loop files in the output. We will configure this one, create a loop, and I will enable the create view loop in the file in the loop. The policy setting control whether the user and create a view loop in the file. Note if the admin is disabled policy. Okay, enable, then apply. Okay, then also we need to click this one also. If you need just to click enable and apply. So wait 1 minute. The policy setting control when the user create a view policy. So the both the two policy I will click enable, and then I will click next. After that, review and publish. Okay, see, our policy ms two policy we configure, and the policy name. Okay, also the group of ms policy. Okay, then we will create. So after the policy will be pushed from the Microsoft side, it take around 24 hours they will told, also maybe 2 hours 3 hours. So now I will click done. Okay, our policy is there. I just waiting for the policy enable. Okay, we will come back after the policy will be enabled. Okay, hi friends, I come back. We will check now our Microsoft loop will be enabled or not. Okay, I just to go for here the loop.microsoft.com. then I will click here sign in. Okay, after that we will give our username password tim@rejoskill.com. Yeah, good. See our Microsoft loop now enabled. This is loop for preview, and you can create as per the project, add new workspace and whatever you need. Just type your workspace. Okay, then start creation. Okay, yeah, you can create a project brief, team decision, project planning. You can customize your team, which team you want, then you can do it. Okay, thank you all my friends, and I think you like my videos. And if you like, just like and share my videos and subscribe also. Thank you so much for your support.